The Saturn 1B was used to test the Apollo module. Later it was used to ferry astronauts to and back from Skylab. This is the Estes Saturn 1B that I built between November 2020 and February 2021. About 2 years ago, I purchased a vintage model of it on eBay, but then Estes released a new version in 2020. This is the new version. While making this model, I learned that it is best to mask before applying filler putty. I also learned that the white squadron putty dissolves the plastic, but the gray squadron putty does not. Had I known this in advance, I could have done a better job. I would have also been able to do a better job if I had practice with the spray adhesive and wraps. To make the main fuselage, I cut a groove out of a scrap piece of wood to help with the alignment. Contrary to the instructions, I decided to paint all the subpieces before assembling them. Also contrary to the instructions, I painted the black first before masking and painting the white. In retrospect, I do not think that helped. After masking and before painting over with the second color, seal the paint seams with another coat of paint. Painting accurately was hard, but assembly afterwards was fun. There were some mistakes in the instructions. The texture pattern on this piece is actually rotated 45 degrees from the hook and not 90 degrees, as shown in the instructions. You can see water damage on the instructions because my cat knocked over a glass of water on the table. Fortunately, the rocket was not damaged. There are 4 pairs of decals with Roman numerals on them to go on the fins that align with the 4 outer engines. The directions show some of them to be incorrect and some of them to be missing. 4 of the decals are colored to go on black fins and 4 are colored to go on white fins. Unfortunately, the instructions orient them wrong based on the painting design. I suggest to Estes that they hire a few people to do some test builds to help discover these errors. Here is the final product after completing the decals.